Alright, welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to create a landing page using email marketing tool, which is called MailChimp. This is actually one of the best email marketing platforms here, which I can strongly recommend, most especially for startups like you. Now in this video, basically you're going to learn how to create a landing page, a free landing page, a convertible, very high convertible landing page. Yes, just in few minutes. Now the first thing you have to do here is log in. Now mind you, try to remember you have to subscribe to my video so you can get a notification bell while another tutorial is being dropped. Okay, I already have my login details here, so you can just easily click login. Okay, alright, now you can see very well these are some of the analysis of my email campaign. You can see, right? I'm very sure you can. Okay, well, majorly what I want to do, just like I said, is to create a landing page. So come down to campaigns. I need to show you one or two things from that end. Okay, alright, you can see the analysis for my mails. You can see this, right? So now, since I'm on campaign, all you just need to do is try and locate a create campaign action button here, which you can see here. Click on create campaign. Are you seeing this? You click on create campaign. Okay. Better still, let me just go this way, and I can click on create a landing page here. So you have either ways to check it out. Alright, so after you've clicked a create landing page, you can easily enter your landing page name. Alright, here I can decide just to put using text signal. Okay, can you see this? Or I'll just use text signal subscription page. Can you see this? So now you have some set of audience already on your mail list, so you just take this as the normal audience which you have already, then you click on what? Begin. Alright, so now very simple and very interesting to pick up here on your landing page. Using email marketing or using MailChimp precisely, you are going to be given various templates to use. So probably maybe you want to collect your customers information or your prospect information. You can easily use a landing page from MailChimp, and your clients can submit their information through that landing page, which automatically it stores in your audience frame box on your MailChimp. You can easily find them in your MailChimp audience frameworks. So now on this end, there are various types of templates, email marketing templates here. You have lead generation, you have a template that can accept payments. Can you see this also? And also you have a template that can promote your products. You also have a template that can just easily grow your list. Growing your list is just, bring out a little brief or a little information to prompt your client or your prospect or your visitor to subscribe to your email list. So now for this, I'm actually going to pick up a lead generation form. Yeah, okay, let me go for this. Let's go for this. I'm actually going to pick up a lead generation form, so I'm going for okay, sorry, actually picked another template. Okay, just stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be dropping new and updated videos on digital marketing courses, so ensure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you. Okay, very good. Now, okay, let's just go for the first one here, which we are having. You can use this. So, changing my template. Alright, now automatically my logo has been inscribed here. Can you see? So we actually run a digital marketing agency which is named Tech Signal. Okay, so now on this point, all you have to do is just what? Drag and drop and edit. Also edit your what? Informations. That is all you need to do, just in one click. So you can easily start off by editing all this, and also at the same time I can take off all this all this customized, or let me say a template that has been implemented for you. I can take them off and drag in whatever kind of features I want my landing page to have. Do you get that? So now, as it is, what I want here is just to inform my client or my prospect of an upcoming program to get a sign up attendees for this particular program. So for you to have a very good view of what you are actually doing or what you want to get, I'll just strongly advise you, the first thing you need to do is just bring out your tools box. Alright, so once you go to your tools box, all you just need to do is you can drag in a particular tool. Can you see? Any way you want to drop this, you can just easily drop it. So now what I'm dragging in is just an image, for me to be able to insert a toolbox, for me to be able to insert an image. So what you need to do is you drag and drop. Once you drag and drop, don't forget you can edit whatever you want to do. You can edit it from this right hand side of your screen, and it's going to display just right here. So now I'm going to click upload an image. Now can you see this? I'm trying to upload an image. I can decide to still use this this particular program, though it has been it has been done already, but I'm deciding to use it. So I'm just going to use this in respect of the class. So click on the image. So now I'm going to start working up on my content. Alright, so on this end I have my content here for you, which I already have in a notepad or on a notepad. So I'm just going to edit this particular point here, and I'll tell you I can paste my content here. Do Do you get this? Now, while you're putting out the content for an email or for a landing page, you have to make sure it is something that is attractive, which is enough to convince your client or your prospect to actually sign up for whatever you are selling. Do you get what I'm saying? So now the case is, once you actually have your video or you have your graphics, you will be able to draft out a high converting content. I can tell you certainly. You have to know the problem. Once you've been able to discover the problem, then you trying to come up with a solution is totally the most easiest thing you should do. Yes, it's totally the most easiest thing you should do. So now on this end, you can see I'm offering a free online digital marketing masterclass for startup businesses. Do you get it? So tell me, how are you going to see this and you wouldn't want to take part in this? And this was after actually the class that came up in on the 4th of June, about a few months back, and this was really a massive one. In fact, a very turnout beyond my expectation. So, but don't worry, we'll be coming up more with this kind of class for startup business and small scale and entrepreneurs also, precisely. So now you can check out what we have here already. Now, whenever you finish working on your toolbox on the right hand side of your screen, you have to make sure you click on save and close. Can you see that? Okay, I would like to bring this a bit, increase this a bit. Okay. Can you see this? So now, and it's not compulsory, or it's not really necessary for you to still have your logo here, since you have your logo on your on your graphics. So I can still decide to take this off. Do you get this? So now let our prospect information, the interested participants, right? So but before getting to that level, I have some contacts to still import here. Some contents to still import here. Alright, now there is something you really need to know on this point. You can, whenever you are creating a landing page or a sales page, ensure that you have been able to explain in detail the product, the benefits of the product, and also what it can solve as a whole. Okay, also what the product can actually solve. So now with this, you'll be able to come up with a very high convertible landing page in just few minutes without having to buy a domain or hosting or anything. This is totally free. So now I have my other content here, and just paste. Now I have this informations on my notepad already. That's why it's just easy for me to come up with the content. But on this end now, I want to impute this to the left hand side. Can you see? So it has to be in order. Do you get that? So now, as it is, I can still decide to duplicate this. Yes, this is another thing you should know. You can decide to duplicate a block using this middle block duplicate block icon. So can you see this? I have duplicated this, right? So I'm going to drag this below the form here. The reason is because I'm just trying to split up my content. Do you understand that? Yes, I'm trying to split up my content. So I'm taking from this point here, I'm taking this off. Are you seeing the logic? So this is how to create, what I'm actually showing you is how to create a very simple and high convertible landing page. Do you understand? So now edit this block also. I'm going to take off this point. from listening, I'm going to take off this point too. So here I have the course outline. Can you see on this point I have the course outline? Then after the form, I have the what? The benefits of the what? Of taking the course. Do you understand what I'm saying? I have the benefit of taking the course. So now, let's work on this point here. Okay. On this place, okay, I can just put administration. Okay, to qualify. Okay, I can turn master class for startup. For startup businesses. For startup business, kindly fill in your information below. Now this is just as simple, not you cracking your brain and actually disturbing your head. So you just have to make sure you can communicate with your prospect and let them get what you are trying to sell to them as fast as and as easy as possible. So now on this point, you come down to where you have in your email block, your edit. You click on your edit block, then you can add your first name, add last name, address, phone number. But I am, for the sake of this training and also professionally for this program, what I need is just your last name and phone number. Those are the two information I am really in need of. Do you get? Now I'm going to turn on this button to let the system know that dropping this information or filling these boxes is very, very important. So without you filling these boxes, you won't be able to click on the subscribe button or click on the action button to submit your information. Did you understand that? So now on this point now, okay, after that you scroll down and I can say click here to complete registration. Free is down. Can you see this? So now I can decide to bold this and also increase the size. Alright, after which you've entered this, you can have a confirmation message or probably direct them to another page, maybe a web address page or probably your WhatsApp chat. Do you understand? If they would like to chat you, they can easily contact you through your WhatsApp also. Yes, very well, they can easily do that. So but now I'm not going to direct them to my WhatsApp. All I just want to do is let them have a confirmation message. Do you get? So your confirmation message can just be customized or simply be left like this. You get? So your audience can actually expect your messages, or probably you say, okay, thanks for your message, or thanks for signing up. Okay, sorry about that. Thanks for signing up. One of our okay, we're not selling goods, so let me just take it like this. One of our instructors will get in touch you via call or SMS or WhatsApp chats. Can you see this? So this is going to be a confirmation message which your audience will be getting. So which implies that you are letting your client or your prospect or your customers, or let me say your lead, to be aware, he or she should be aware that you are going to communicate them. Do you understand? So, and mind you, don't forget to always put it up that you shouldn't spam your audience, because it could drive them to unsubscribe from your mail, or actually help them, put a stop to engaging with you. So there are various kind of rules which you have to put in place, and you must be guided with that. So now I'm going to, since all this have been done and said, I'm going to save and what, close. Right, so now I'm coming back to this page, click on edit block, and I can take this, give it a text color, then also this too. Can you see this? So now I'm going to do the same thing here. Now there's something we need to do. We need to put an heading here to make this shown very well as what, as a subheading. Okay, course outline. I'm gonna have here course outline. Okay, so can you see this? You can still decide to have this at the left hand side, then so increase the font, the font size rather. So you can see how this is being done. So you don't really need to pile up a lot of information. Just make sure you pick the relevant information and try to keep your audience in the message you're trying to pass across. That is one of the rules you should know. So on this point now, okay, now on this point I'm trying to change the action button background. Can you see? That's this action button for your form. So all you just need to do is come to your edit block. Once you get to your edit block, you click on style, then you scroll down, or scroll up rather, and click this. You can decide to use black and change the text to what? To white. Can you see this? And I also what? Bold it. Can you see I'm bolding it? So rounded corners, the more rounded corners you want. Can you see this? but I'm not really interested in that. Now you can also see this. So this has been done. Click on save and close. Now let's scroll down and see what we have here about us. You can see here you're trying to describe what your company does, or what kind of product you sell or services you render. Can you see this? So definitely I have a description about us to put in there, so let me just pick that up. Alright, so definitely here I have my description. I just copy pasted it because I have every of my information on my notepad. So I always advise, whenever you are creating something like this, or probably you want to create a content or for a website or for a blog site, you have to ensure you have your content down or informations down, written and saved somewhere, so it can make your work more faster. You understand? So on this end now, I click save and close, and also from here I can just go, maybe I had about 2-3 pictures about, on probably previous product or services you've rendered, or product you've sold out, and also probably a free seminar or other new goods that will be coming in if you are selling product, if you're into product selling or goods, you get. So now on this end, I just want to input about 2 to 4 images. Let me see if 2 will be fine. So I'm just going to click edit block, then I will say replace. Can you see? I'm going to say replace here. Okay, this is a very good one. You can see you can have this here, right? Tips for writing email marketing copy that converts. Okay, let me just insert this. You get? Then also on the column 1, I'll replace this also. Let me upload. I have a lot of content which I have created so far. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's just see what we can pick up from here. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. It's something very strong content for you to put up. Okay, so this is also a very catchy something. Look at this. Let's hold on for this to upload. Alright, so you can see it has been uploaded right here. So very well, what I just want to do here is simple. I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to change this edit to what? Can you see? Website offer. %40 discount. Can you see this? So I can easily have a brief description here. Do you understand? And inscript a link there for them to go to the exact page where they can find this and get more information. Do you understand? So alright. So on this end now, I'm just gonna paste this. Why do I need a professional website as a business owner? Okay, before putting in this, I have thought of it like, okay, putting out a product or service for a client or a prospect, you should know why the prospect or the client needs that particular product or service. In this way, you'll be able to solve the problem of the client, definitely, or of your prospects. So I'm putting a link here to learn more. Can you see this? So I'm going to change this to probably just red. So on this place now, I can easily inscript the page where I have the full information of this offer. Where I have the full information of this offer. So let me just pick that up. Okay. I'm just gonna paste this here. Can you see? So I have the full information of this offer on my WhatsApp. On my Instagram page precisely. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing for the tips of writing email marketing. So now let's go to column 2. On column 2 we have something like that also. Alright, so you can easily paste here. Okay. These are tips to help you create relevant and convertible content also, and